Hi, welcome to Cloud Chat. Actually, today this is a special Cloud Chat program because I received nearly 5 to 6 mails as well as n number of phone calls from the final year students of LLB. All the mails are related to this. Can you provide us the details about the All India Bar examination? Yeah, I can understand because now you are going to complete your LLB, so you are within soon you will become as a advocate after getting enrollment. So now I thought since 2011 I feel this Bar Council of India introduced this examination, that is All India Bar examination. It is compulsory to every law student to become as a lawyer. So naturally there shall be a, what is that, tension regarding this All India Bar examination. So I received a number of mails as well as phone calls. No, actually it is not that much difficult examination, you don't worry. But anyhow, you asked me, I will tell you about what are the tips and how to write the examination. See, actually, this All India Bar examination was introduced in 2011 by the Bar Council of India. Why? Because they want to bring the quality in the advocates. Actually, prior to 2011, this All India Bar examination was not there. Once you, what is that, passed the LLB examination, you can directly get the enrollment in the any of your the State Bar Council. They will what is that, give you the enrollment number. After that you can do the practice. That is a different case. But in 2011, based on the suggestion of Professor Madhav Menon, I need not introduce you about him because everyone, I thought you have complete knowledge about that holy person. So based on the suggestion by Professor Madhav Menon, this All India Bar examination was introduced in 2011. You see, while what is the scheme of the examination, what type of questions will come, what is the syllabus to prepare, how to qualify in this examination, can we, what is that, qualify in the first attempt, like that, n number of questions I am getting. It's okay, fine. Actually, it is not that much difficult examination. It is a open book system examination, but a little bit difficult also, because I don't want to create the tension to you. Hence, I, what is that, telling the tips just like as a motivation, but it is a little bit difficult also, because you cannot feel that I can get each and every answer from the book, because it is a open book system. It is not that much easy, because all the paper setters are professors in law as well as very experienced lawyers. So that is not that much easy. But actually, I can tell you the tips to get the success in the first attempt. See, first you have to focus on 11 important subjects. What are the subjects I will tell you, but how the examination paper will be, I will explain you. This entire syllabus divided as two chapters by the Bar Council of India. You will get two books for that, just like a chapter 1 and chapter 2. From the chapter 1 actually 100 multiple choice questions will be given. Means the maximum marks of that question paper is 100. 100 questions will be given and multiple choice questions, and each question carries 1 mark. You know that what are the cutoff marks for the qualify, how many marks you have to get to qualify that examination, I need not tell you. So now from the chapter 1 the examination paper shall be in two parts, as like as part A and part B. In part A, they will select 11 subject from chapter 1, and from each subject they will give you 7 questions. Means 11 subjects from chapter 1 and from each subject 7 questions. Means 11 into 7, 77 questions from part A. From part A. And part B. Part B means they will give 23 questions and they will select all these 23 questions at least 5 subjects from chapter 2. Means from part B 23 questions from 5 subjects from chapter 2. So in part A there are 77 questions and in part B there are 23 questions. Altogether 100. All are multiple choice questions. You will be given 3 hours and 30 minutes to complete the question paper. You have sufficient time. It is more than one complete movie. Means one movie is only for 2.5 hours. But here the All India Bar Examination is for 3.5 hours. Means you can see one complete movie and also you can see half of the second movie also. That much time they will give. So you can write, you can read, you can do whatever you can within these 3 hours 30 minutes. So time is not a problem. First one, you don't worry about the time. Forget about the time, because how much time you have means you have 1.5 hour movies. Time you have to complete these 100 questions. So if you get sleep, you can sleep for half an hour. No worry, because only 100 questions all are multiple choice questions. So as few, what is that negative marks are there? Forget about the negative marking. But after completing the LLB examination, if you completely focus on this All India Bar Examination, it is not good for you. You can utilize the same preparation for JCG also simultaneously. How you can utilize it, I will tell you. But however, you asked me what are the tips to complete this bar examination successfully in the first attempt. I will tell you, you have to focus on the chapters, whatever I am going to tell you now. First one, CPC and Limitation Act. If you prepare well this chapter, surely you will get 7 marks. Second one, CRPC. Third one, IPC. Fourth one, Evidence Act. And fifth one, property laws. And sixth one, jurisprudence. And seventh one, drafting, pleading and conveyancing. And eighth one, professional ethics. And ninth one, alternative dispute resolution. And 10th one, Contract Act. And the 11th one is Specific Relief Act. These are the topics you have to read well. If you read well all these 11 chapters, you forget about that All India Bar Examination, this is my guarantee, you will qualify that All India Bar Examination in your first attempt. That is for sure. Only these 11 chapters. Whatever the other chapters, you can write easily, because already you means recently you had completed your LLB examination. So whatever the knowledge you have as of now, that is more enough to attempt the part B of that All India Bar Examination. You don't worry for that. So once again I will repeat the chapters that you have to read well to qualify the All India Bar Examination in the first attempt are: first one, CPC and Limitation Act. and the second one CRPC, and the third one IPC, and the fourth one Evidence Act, and the fifth one is property laws, and the sixth one is, I told you, jurisprudence, and seventh one is drafting, pleading, and conveyancing, and the eighth one is that professional ethics, and the ninth one is that alternative dispute resolution, and the 10th one is that Contract Act, and the 11th one is Specific Relief Act. Specific Relief Act. These are the subjects you have to prepare. You have to prepare well to qualify the All India Bar Examination. And no more tips you required to qualify the All India Bar Examination. However, I will introduce you. This is the book written by me in 2011 in the name of Sure Success All India Bar Examination and JCJ. I feel I have only 2013 print. So, in this book, already I told you that whatever the time you are going to prepare for this All India Bar Examination, with the same preparation, you can attempt the JCJ also. Because I analyze the syllabus, means I compare the syllabus of the JCJ examination as well as the All India Bar Examination. However, I compare the question papers of JCJ, means that is the screening, as well as the All India Bar Examination. Then I come to a conclusion that it is good to prepare only one book for both the examinations. Those are All India Bar Examination and JCJ. In this book, what I did, I divided this, and means the contents in this book as 4 parts. As part 1. Part 1 means whatever the subjects are there, nearly 13 subjects are there, all these subjects are common to both All India Bar Examination as well as JCJ. And the second part of the book is only for All India Bar Examination. Means these subjects will not come in JCJ screening. And part 3, these subjects are only for JCJ. Means those who are going to appear for the All India Bar Examination, they have to prepare part 1 as well as part 2. Those who are going to prepare for JCJ, they can prepare part 1 as well as part 3. If any of the students are going to prepare for both the examination, then he must prepare part 1, part 2, part 3 of this book. As well as the part 4, just like as an additional information to you. Means model papers of the JCJ as well as the All India Bar Examination model papers along with the solution. So, this will help you more to get success in first attempt, either in the All India Bar Examination or in the JCJ or in the both. Hence, I preferred the name of this book as Sure Success in All India Bar Examination as well as JCJ. So, if you want to get this book, you can book, means the price of this book is very little, means not more. I think the price of this book is only something less than 500 only, I am thinking. Let me see. That is 550 rupees. However, you will get the discount also. So, whatever the maximum syllabus is required to get selection in the first attempt for the All India Bar Examination as well as JCJ are covered in that book. So, if you want to take the help from that book, you can take. Otherwise, what already I told you, what are the 11 subjects you have to focus to qualify in the All India Bar Examination. So I understood. All the best. Surely all of you will qualify the All India Bar Examination in the first attempt. We will meet in the next class with the next subject. Till then, bye bye.